Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to download, install and configure Android Studio on Windows 10 operating system. First of all, make sure you have Jdk installed and configured correctly. If you don't have Jdk in your machine, you can watch my video tutorial on Jdk installation. To check whether Jdk is installed on your machine or not, go to the command prompt and enter these commands. Once you have Jdk installed, open your favorite browser and in Google search engine, search for Android Studio. Here you will see the first link from developer.android.com. Click on that. Now click this download button. Now check this checkbox and click this download button. Double click on this. Make sure you have internet connection. Click next. Next. It is Android Studio installation location. You can change it or leave it as default. Then click next. Now install. It is installing. Click next. Click on finish now. Click OK. Click next, next, again next, finish. It will take time depending upon your internet speed. Finish. Okay, so now you can start a new Android Studio project. Give a name to your application. Choose project location. Click next. I'm keeping minimum and higher SDK as default. Click next. Select empty activity. Click next. Now click next. Now it will build your project. Allow access. It will build your project. Here are some tips. You can view this or just click close. Now go to File, Settings, and now System Settings. Now in System Settings, go to Android SDK. You can download this according to your need. Here I am downloading all which are higher than 14. Select them. Now click Apply. OK. Click this Accept Radio button and click Next. So now it will take time depending upon your internet speed. Click Finish. Now you can see these are installed. Now click OK. Here I am getting some error, install build tools. Click on that. Okay, it's done now. Click finish. Now you can see Gradle build is running. Wait until it's done. So now it is properly configured and ready to use. You can see Gradle build finished. Thank you for watching.